Are you tired of gummy, burnt, or just plain sad rice? What if I told you there's one kitchen appliance that can banish those rice woes forever? Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into the world of perfect rice with a game changer, the CUCKOO 6-cup rice cooker. If you're looking for effortless, consistently delicious rice every single time, you've come to the right place. We'll cover its key features, put it to the test, and see if it's the ultimate addition to your kitchen. All right, let's get this cuckoo out of the box. First off, look at this design. It's sleek, modern, and definitely won't be an eyesore on your countertop. CUCKOO really nails the aesthetics. Inside, you get the cooker itself, a measuring cup, a spatula, and of course the inner pot. And here's the thing about this inner pot. It's non-stick, which is a huge plus for cleanup. No more scrubbing for ages. Visual of close-up of the inner pot highlighting its material and non-stick surface. So what makes a 6-cup rice cooker ideal? Well, for a small family, a couple, or even a single person who loves meal prep, 6 cups or uncooked rice is the sweet spot. It's not too big, not too small. Perfect for those weeknight dinners or prepping lunches for the week. Now let's talk features. This CUCKOO model isn't just about basic rice. Visual of host pointing to the control panel. You've got multiple cooking modes right here. We're talking white rice, brown rice, GABA rice, and even porridge or soup settings. This versatility is what sets CUCKOO apart. Ever tried making GABA rice at home? It can be tricky, but this cooker simplifies it. On-screen text highlighting each cooking mode as the host mentions it. And the keep warm function? Essential. It keeps your rice at the perfect serving temperature for hours without drying it out. Here's the thing, no more rushing to the kitchen the second the timer goes off. You have flexibility. What's your go-to rice type? Let me know in the comments below. Enough talk, let's put it to the test. We're making a simple pot of white rice. Visual of host measures rice and water, adds it to the inner pot, and places it in the cooker. We've got our standard 2 cups of uncooked white rice and the corresponding water level marked on the inner pot. We'll select the white rice setting. Visual of host pressing buttons on the control panel. And we wait. CUCKOO cookers are known for their efficiency, so we're expecting this to take around 20 to 30 minutes. While we wait, let's think about other things you could cook. Maybe a hearty lentil soup, or even a simple congee? The possibilities are pretty exciting. Visual of time-lapse of the rice cooker working, steam gently escaping, transition to host ready to check the rice. Okay, the timer just went off. Let's see the magic. Visual of host carefully opens the lid. Steam billows out. Close-up of the perfectly cooked rice. Wow, look at that. Fluffy, separate grains, perfectly cooked. No sticking to the bottom, no burnt smell. It smells amazing. This is exactly what we want. So, the big question, is the CUCKOO 6-cup rice cooker worth it? Let's break it down. Pros. Consistent results. Perfect rice every single time. Versatile settings. More than just rice. Soup, porridge, different rice types. Ease of use. Simple controls, easy cleanup. Sleek design. Looks great in any kitchen. Keep warm function. Ultimate convenience. Now for the cons. Honestly, finding major downsides is tough. Perhaps the initial cost might be a bit higher than a basic stovetop pot, but here's the thing, you're paying for convenience, consistency, and technology, and for the quality you get, I think it's a fair investment. Who is this for? If you eat rice regularly, appreciate perfectly cooked food with minimal effort, or want to explore different types of rice dishes, this is for you. Families, students, busy professionals, anyone who wants reliable, delicious rice. So, what do you think? Does the CUCKOO 6-cup rice cooker sound like it belongs in your kitchen? Let me know your biggest rice cooking struggles in the comments below. Maybe I can help in a future video. And if you found this review helpful, please give this video a thumbs up. It really helps the channel out. And while you're at it, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss our future kitchen gadget reviews and cooking tips. That's it for today's deep dive into the CUCKOO 6-cup rice cooker. I'm seriously impressed with its performance and ease of use. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. We've got more exciting reviews coming your way soon. Until next time, happy cooking!